Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle of garlic. Pack peeled cloves tightly into sterilized jars, then bring a brine of 2 cups vinegar, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar to a boil. Pour the hot brine over garlic, leaving 1 2-inch headspace, remove air bubbles, seal jars, and process or refrigerate depending on your chosen method for safety and flavor. To vary flavor, layer spices and herbs with garlic before pouring brine so flavors infuse evenly. Try 1 teaspoon peppercorns, a few bay leaves, or a sprig of dill per jar for distinct profiles. For heat, add a half teaspoon chili flakes or 1 sliced jalapeno per jar. Let jars rest at room temperature for 24 hours, then refrigerate or process in a water bath as needed for storage. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and stick around. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs, garlic skins, and stray peelings with smart mapping and voice control, saving cleanup time after pickling sessions. It feels like a tiny helper while you ferment and relax. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Proper storage keeps pickled garlic safe and tasty, so follow safe canning practices when preserving shelf-stable jars. If you skip water bath processing, keep jars in the refrigerator and use within a few months. Shelved, processed jars last longer, but always check seals and sniff for off odors before opening. Use clean utensils to avoid contamination and enjoy pickled garlic in sandwiches, salads, or as a zesty snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.